The interior design decoration course at Solent is very unique in that not only do we design interior spaces, but we also bespoke those spaces with surface designs. So whether we're designing wallpapers or furnishings for a space, or even hard surfaces such as tiles or screens, etc., the students can really bespoke the space, giving the clients something that they really want, which it makes it really unique.
The best thing about my course lecturers is they all have so much experience in the field. I think that obviously helps us learn so much in the course, and they're also approachable. I think a massive thing in our course is that no one's treated like a number. The lecturers know everyone individually and want you to grow not only in the course but as a person.
The students are able to access any of the facilities at Solent once they've been inducted, and in particular for the interior design decoration they are able to use all the digital CAD programs which are inevitable that they will experience throughout the course. So they often use CAD software such as Vectorworks, AutoCAD, Photoshop, InDesign, all the things that are necessary to help them create 2D plans, 3D visualizations. But because also we do styling, they get to learn all the, they learn photography, they learn how to use the photographic studios, they learn all about editing. They also get to be able to do bespoke fabric printing. So they can do screen printing, they can use the Arizona printer, which is an amazing printer which allows us to print on lots of different materials, and also do digital fabric printing.
We've got so many different ways to print wallpapers, the laser cutter for instance, which I know a lot of universities don't actually have. So there's kind of anything is actually possible. There's never been a time where I have to, I can't do something.
On the course we offer lots and lots of live projects. We've sort of become known for doing lots of live projects. I'm always looking for live projects and I'm always excited to find new ones. I think the students are always never quite sure what we're going to be doing next, but I think that's the reality, and I think that sort of reflects the industry really. We start with live projects from the first year, so even in the first year, in the first semester, they work with a kitchen company. We've been very fortunate to work with John Lewis of Hungerford for the last couple of years, and before that with Hobson's Choice. So we've had great support from lots of kitchen companies. We've had a really long established relationship with Linden Homes. We also do another project in the first year with Linden Homes. And again, we have a Linden Homes Award in the final year where they come and give an award. We've done competitions where we've been fantastically fortunate to win, though the students' work has been absolutely celebrated by the people that have chosen the winners, such as the Dulux competition we won a couple of years ago, and also the Amara competition, which was the student interior designers. We've won that a couple of times. We're also accredited by the Society of British International Design, and not only are we accredited, so this is something that's just amazing for students to have on their CV, is that we're also classed as Centre of Excellence. And on top of that, I've been really fortunate that I was also nominated by my students as a visionary tutor, and so got an award from SBID, which is lovely. We're a very small course, but at the same time we're also very a tight course in the sense that we work together as a family, and we see these students through their 3 years and support them throughout and beyond, I hasten to add, because as alumni I'm so fortunate. I have so many alumni that want to come back and give talks or offer projects, and some of our alumni are working such amazing spaces with companies, with projects which I know all our students love to hear about and they love to come and talk about.
I would definitely recommend this course to other people. I think it gives you so much opportunity, and it's not only, obviously it's hard work, but it is so fun and you learn so much and you get to meet some brilliant people.